Hey folks, Knox with IT Inspired here today. Wanted to talk to you about a super cool and easy one that is so helpful, and that is the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool was introduced in Microsoft Windows 7, and it hasn't changed much. They don't need to change it. You know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Wanted to show you how to use it, some cool, quick shortcuts, and some great tips on using Snipping Tool to its full advantage. All right, let's get started. I'm in Windows 10. This pretty much works the same way in Windows 7. All you have to do to get started with the Snipping Tool is click Start and type Snip. And you can see it comes up really, really quickly. I've already pinned it to my taskbar down here. All you have to do to pin it is open the app. It'll show up down here. You just right click and you can click Pin to Taskbar. It'll be right there where mine says Unpin from Taskbar. Okay, so it brings up that small little dialog box here called the Snipping Tool. And to get started right off the bat, if I just want to take a quick screenshot of this little block of Google text here, I just click New. And it brings up a little cursor. And I click and drag. And there it is. I've got a screenshot that I can now work with and save it and take that file and move with it from there. Let's go a little bit further. Let's dive a little bit deeper, and we'll bring Snipping Tool back up. Let's say I wanted to take a screenshot of the menus underneath this folder called Zabbix. You can see I've got some links I've saved here, how to do some other IT things. So let's take that. Now, one thing you may have noticed is I didn't really get much of a time between when I clicked New. So how am I going to rush up there to get that menu? See, if I click New, I can't. Nope, I can't. It's not letting me do it. Well, that's why they introduced a little delay feature. So this is the delay from when you click New to when you can start copying. So I'm going to set a delay of 2 seconds. Click New, click my drop down, and now I can drag and drop. There we go. See? That's how we've got a little screenshot of that menu. Okay, now that I've got this screenshot, what do I really do with it? Well, by default, it comes with a pen selected. So if I need to draw some things here, look, I can draw an arrow, maybe another arrow, but I want to change the color here to maybe blue and, you know, do a little smiley face. We can work with that. Okay, so I've made the edits. You know, I wanted you to see this download Zabbix right here. That's what I wanted you to see. You're the end audience, and you know, pretending that I'm sending this and that's what I wanted you to focus on. I can make those little markups, and I want to send it. So one of the really cool things about the Snipping Tool is this is already on your clipboard. So if you start up a new email, you can come down here and just simply paste, and it'll be there with all the markups you've made. Super handy. You could also paste this into a Word document if you needed to document like steps on how to do something with screenshots. That's how you would do that. Another even quicker way to get to that email is you just hit the email button right here, Send Snip. And it'll bring it up. Sorry for that little delay there. And that'll bring up that email. So that is the Snipping Tool in a nutshell. If you have an error on your computer and you need to submit a ticket to IT Inspired, one of the best ways to capture that error is to use the Snipping Tool, paste it into an email, and send it to support@itinspired.com. All right, get out there and try it out.